Yes, okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, let's go on. So they are going to look how can you determine the trend of the market and how can you trade with the trend. So we are going to be looking for these three things. We are going to describe the market trend. After describing, is it whether in a downtrend or an uptrend? We look for points of interest like liquidity, market structure, fair value gaps, and then we determine our entries and exits. So it's very good to trade with the market. Don't trade against the market. To be safe, have to move with the market in the same trend as the market is going to be safe. So we come here on our chart, we can see I'm going to pull up only this short trend. You see you have a market structure shift there. So as you see this trend, the market has started a downtrend. The market has started a downtrend. And now you can see market structure shift. So the market is trending downwards. What you're gonna first do is to draw these trend lines. You should be very aware of them. These can act as our supply and demand areas or support and resistance areas. So to give you an idea, what should I do? The market is here. So this is our market structure shift which I was talking about. So the market shifted. The market break this low and then continued going downward. So we draw another trend line down here. We have to show the direction in which the market is moving. So let's see. I'm going to place it somewhere here. Let me place it somewhere here. Okay, let's go on. Remember, as I said, it's very good to trade with the market, to move with the trend of the market, to be safe. If the market is going downward, you should always look for sales. Yes, I should always look for sales to be safe. If the market going upward, you should always look for buys. So if we zoom in here, we have another market structure shift. So we start to point out our point of interests, those points which we want that will determine our entry. The reasons why you are going to put, where you are going to put that entry. Have a market structure shift there and this fair value gap. The other fair value gap upward, it's a breakaway gap. So price is not going to reach there. It might not reach there. So we are going to go with this fair value gap which managed to break this low. So now we are going to move on to the lower time frame to determine our entry. We are going to go to the 15-minute time frame, and remember we are using the 1 hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame. 1 hour time frame analysis, entry. We determine our entry from the 15-minute time frame. You're going to see you can catch a very good swing trade, a very high, low risk, high rewarding trade. So if you come here to a 15-minute time frame, you can see even the 15-minute that we have a fair value gap which is not yet invaded. So my interest is in that fair value gap. You can see even the market structure shift over there. So we are going to place our entry in this fair value gap in the 15-minute. We are going to go short. Our stop loss will be above our fair value gap. Yes, our stop loss will be above our fair value gap. Let's see. Always remember to use a lot size which is capable with your balance. Yes, use a lot size which is capable with your balance. And remember to back test this strategy before using it. Before using it, back test it at least 100 times until you feel like you're safer to use it before you bump into it. First back test it or try it on a demo account. So we are going to put our order there. So our target is going to be to the low, to the other support area we have downwards, because the market, if the market's trending downwards, for me what I always see, it tries to break the lows to take away the other lows. So another trick you have to know, you should take partial profits. You should not let only one trade to run. You should take partial profits. So for me, my final take profit will be under this previous low, because if the market's going downwards, it will keep on breaking them, taking away these lower lows, keeps breaking them. So now you have to set different exits or different partial profits, so that you don't lose all at once. Then the market moves at least halfway to our prediction and goes back, we're still in profits. And always have the braveness, always be ready to set your stop loss to the break even, so that you don't lose all your money when you see. So let's see how this trade will go. Now let me show you the areas where you can set your partial profits. So for example, we have entered like a 0.03 lot size. So our first profit, we can set it there, and the other one are halfway, and then our final profit, it will be downwards. You should always take partial profits. Remember, the 1 hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame are very good. You don't need no bias. Yes, you don't need a bias. You just need to know in which direction is the market going. In which direction is the market going? We look for those points of interest. Look for order blocks or supply and demand. Look for fair value gaps which are not invaded. Look for market structure shifts. Look for break-off structures. And the most important thing, look for liquidity and inducements before entering the market. If you don't see these three important, if you don't see inducement and liquidity, never enter that trade. It might be a trap and you might fall in it. So let's see how our trade goes. As you can see, either I'm not in a real market, this is just a back testing site, just showing you how things work. But as you can see, now till our final take profit is hit, done. Okay guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. If you were generous enough, you can share it. Thank you for watching.